Hi, this is Ryan again. I'm going to do a part from an old project someone wanted me to do. The project never went through. Their fault, not mine. Yeah, long story. But I just was looking for things to do that are really easy and simple. This is for a Proton pack like the Ghostbusters. Um, and this is just one of the knobs on the side that probably means that you're tweaking something when you're messing with it. It looks like it's going to take like 3 cylinders. I'm going to try to do the center ones first, and then just do the outside one because that's easy. So we're going to pull this up and do... How do I want to do this? I know what I'm going to do. Cylinder. Oh, I have to convert 0.15 inches to mm. And if my Google foo was better, I would know how that worked. So 3.81 millimeters. Cylinder. Initial radius. Actually, this one's going to be the same height no matter what. 3.8. Looks like it's twice as high. And height is equal to 3.8 times 2. That's not right, we can always change it. Not a big deal. And then we hit semicolon. As always, the semicolon is our friend. And then translate 0, 0. You know what? I can do something that I haven't done yet before. I'm going to make A be 3.8. And then we change this to A, and you have to do a semicolon after that, because the semicolon is important, because it will not do anything if you do not put that semicolon. Remember, semicolons always. Too many spaces. There we go. And here you have to do square brackets. I forgot that. And there. And we're going to do a cylinder. And we're going to do radius 1. It's going to be equal to A. Radius 2 is going to be... I have to think about this for a second. Because it looks like it's about a 45-degree countersink. Is that right? Yeah, countersink. 3.5. Let's just try this, see how this turns out. I know, I'm just kind of cheating with the A, because it makes it actually a lot easier to start putting things in. And let's just do 2A again. I think that should turn out fairly well. And semicolon. And there we go. Is that 45-degree-ish? That's 45-degree-ish. I would say that is. Well, no. Let's do like 2.3. 2.5? 2.5. I like 2.5. It looks a little better to me. Alright, and then we're just going to do another cylinder. Windows that. 0.75. I could just do it here, can I? 19.05. Cylinder R equals 19.05. Height is another thing I have to do, which is 0.25. 635. 635. Food, glorious food. And that's why we do this, because you do this. F5. So that looks a little too tall. Let's just try A. And you'd have to move this down to A, because that's how things work. No, you'd have to move this down by A. That'll look pretty good. Yes, it will. And I'm just going to union these. I don't know if I have to. I don't think I do, but just to be safe. And then we do a difference. F5. Sorry, F6. And let's see. Does that look like the part at all? If I could Alt-Tab. That does not. So what we're going to do is we're going to change radius. Actually, just bring this to a solid A. S6. That's a little better, I think. Plus 0.5. That's height. We don't want to mess with height. Height's fine. Radius 2 is what we want to mess with. Plus 0.5. A little bit. Let's go with 1. See how much of a difference that is. 5? 5's too much. 3? 3's maybe too much. 2? 2? Let's see if we can get a straight top-down view. I was wrong. Maybe I just need 1. That actually looks pretty on. It's a little bit different. And I know those guys are stickler for their accuracy, so I'll just try this. F6. That actually looks on. So yeah, I'm going to keep that, and that's it. The Proton Pack Side Disc. I think that's what it's called. Small side disc. Alright, cool. Thanks. Have a good night.